my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Myself Ashwin from Grade VIII Jasper, here to update you all with international news. China replaced Germany in top 10 of United Nations most innovative nation. Colombia president criticizes Trump administration over drugs war designation. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, I am from Grade VIII Jasper, here to update you with national news. Bharat Innovates 2026. Delhi whose global investors, tech leaders and policy makers. Hunger strike for Ladakh statehood. Enter 7th day will remain apolitical, say protesters. Thank you. Good morning everyone. I am Shrestha of Grade VIII Jasper. Today brought you state news. CM says won't compromise on rightful share of waters. Plans effort to unlock renewable energy potential of state Bhakti. TPCC Chief acclaims BJP of celebrating Liberty Day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, I am Diksha of 8 Jasper, here to update you with sports news. Neeraj Chopra qualifies for 2025 World Athletics Champion Men's Javelin Final. Indian women aim for comeback in second ODI against Australia in Chandigarh today. Thank you. Have a thoughtful Thursday. Hey everyone, this is Advika of Grade VIII Jasper. Today I am here to update you all with today's weather forecast. Maximum temperature 30 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius, wind speed 8 km per hour, mostly cloudy. Thank you. Everyone, today's thought is brought to you by Parnika from Grade VIII Jasper. Thought, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. I repeat it again, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Thank you. Have a nice day. My name is K. Geeta of Grade VIII Jasper, here to tell word permutation. It means arrangement of objects in a specific order. Friends, please spell after me. Permutation. P-R-M-U-T-A-T-I-O-N. Permutation. Stay curious and keep learning. Thank you. Everyone, this is Brinda of Grade VIII Jasper. Today I am here to ask GK questions. Question for Grade 7. What is the value of 1 lakh power 0? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 1. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. If a bakery sells 250 loaves of bread per day, how many loaves of bread does it sell in a week? I'll repeat my question. If a bakery sells 250 loaves of bread per day, how many loaves of bread does it sell in a week? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 1750. Question for Grade 9. When the dimensions of a rectangle are double, how many times larger does its area become? I repeat my question. When the dimensions of a rectangle are double, how many times larger does its area become? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 4 times larger. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 10. Who was the person to use the Greek letter pi? I repeat my question. Who was the first person to use the Greek letter pi? No, you didn't pick the right answer. And the answer is William Jones. Open question. First question. Who discovered the symbol infinity? I repeat my question. Who discovered the symbol infinity? No, No, you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is John Valley. Question number 2. What is the value of tan 30? I repeat my question. What is the value of tan 30? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is 1 by root 3. Let us appreciate them. Question number 3. When is Pi Day celebrated? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is March 14. Thank you. Have a nice day. With a new day comes new thoughts and new strengths. A very happy morning to everyone. I am Jansi from 8 Jasper. Today the day theme is basic math. So now I want to talk a few words about basic math. Math is a subject that we use every day in our life. It is not only about numbers, additions or subtraction. It also helps us to think logically and solve problems. From buying things at shop, measuring ingredients while cooking, checking time or even while playing games, math is everywhere. The four basic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are the foundation of mathematics. If you understand these well, then learning higher topics like algebra, geometry and statistics becomes much easier. Many students feel that math is difficult, but actually math becomes fun when we practice it regularly. Just like we exercise daily to keep our body fit, we must also practice sums daily to keep our mind sharp. Math is not just in textbooks, but it is a practical and necessary skill for everyday tasks. As we learn more complex topics in class, remember how they connect to the real world, making math a fascinating and useful subject for everyone. So let us not be afraid of math. Instead, let us treat it as our friend because math makes us smarter and more confident in life. The only way to fail at math is to stop